Alright, so we are here at Snippets, and for the first time ever, Lily's getting her hair cut.
I took that. See?
Oh, yeah.
Press this button. See?
When you move the wheel, it does. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Are you Lily? Come on now. Go ahead, put your foot up. I got your arm. There we go. Perfect. Look at your curls.
She's never going to be in here getting her hair cut. Never. I said the same thing.
Trims.
I said the same thing about her, though.
And this is her first haircut?
This is my haircut.
Sissy wants her hair cut.
All right, sweetheart, I'm going to have you look down at your belly for a minute. Perfect.
You do? Yeah. So he would be going there. So I didn't even go in here.
Good.
And then it's actually still onto the chair, but when it dries, everything.
Yeah. Oh, right. It's fine. You ready, Lil? She's going to cut it.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Just let me know whenever you're ready.
I'm good. Oh, Lily.
Now I can't look at mommy just in case she cries.
Mommy's not going to cry. Mommy's not going to cry. Oh, Lily. Look over on the... Do you see it, Lily?
It's going to tickle your nose.
Ah! Are you happy, Lily?
That's a lot of hair that came off. Mommy's going to save this piece and put it in the baby bowl.
Welcome.
Yeah.
I want to sit a baby.
Out there. We did it out there. It was actually a really nice sleeve, but it was
How's your lolly? Good.
Does your head feel lighter? Yeah. Tilt over. Perfect.
You're doing really good, Lily.
It's because she wanted it cut.
Yeah, she really did. She's like, yeah, I'll sit perfectly still for you. How cool this is. We're watching shows. How cool this place is. How can they do parties? This place is really cool. I'm glad I looked online for this, huh?
So you're 5?
Almost.
Oh, almost 5. When did you turn 5?
You. October 7th.
October 7th.
It's you.
You are 2, yes.
You're 2? When did you turn 3? Do you know your birthday?
April 5th.
April 5th? Oh my goodness.
You're so smart, Lily.
Well, honey,
You're what?
Mommy had a cake in me.
Okay, Mommy had us something. Yeah, I'm not sure. I can't catch that last
Some
part.
poison.
Oh, sun poisoning, I did.
That's what season.
Yeah, very good, Eliza. Jeez, they just tell everything, don't they?
Chocolate.
Cheese popcorn. All right. Yay! Let's check it out.
1, 2, 3.
All right, let me see. Turn around. Whoa, where'd your hair go, Lily? Where'd your hair go? Oh, look, we get a ponytail. Yep, let's see. Hold it next. Whoa, that's a lot of hair. Look at your pretty curls. Oh, God, save it for the car, Kim. Oh, thank you so much. Yes. All right. Hey, come on, guys.
Oh, there's the tea.
Whoa, is that pretty cool? It's pretty cool.
That's the tea.
Oh, you can...